Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to guide you step by step on how to permanently delete your Wikipedia account using the Android app. If you're looking to vanish your account for privacy or personal reasons, this tutorial will help you do. First, open the Wikipedia app on your Android phone. Next, tap on the More button located at the bottom right corner. Then, from the menu that appears, select Settings. After that, scroll down until you find the Vanish Account option. Now tap on Vanish Account. Click again on Vanish Account. Then scroll down again and click on Request Vanish. Finally, confirm the process by tapping OK. Your request to vanish the account will be submitted, and your data will be removed according to Wikipedia's privacy policy. That's how you can delete your Wikipedia account using the app on your Android phone. If this guide helped you, make sure to subscribe for more useful tutorials and tech tips.